how to enable or disable Midi-CI on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Developer. If you do not have the Developer option, you can turn it on by going into Privacy and Security. Then we scroll down and then tap on Developer Mode. Next, in here, turn on the Developer Mode, and then we go back into Settings. Then we go into Developer. Now we scroll down, and in here, we tap on Enable Midi-CI. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on, switch it off. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.